Imagine seamless field work becoming office PC work just by dropping your mobile device into a cradle. A mobile that also acts like a PC? No need to imagine. It exists and we've helped implement it. The concept didn't even exist until we dreamed it up with our client, a well-known trucking service provider, blending the outside tasks and inside work into a single manageable piece of technology. With over 400 locations, providing a solution that would be easy to deploy, manage, and replicate was no easy mission. But for the last 2 decades, this is who we are. However, all this on a single interface, all while making it easy to manage for their IT staff? You bet. With the help of their IT, POS, and operations teams, we devised the solution using a TC57 field device that drops into a cradle and becomes a countertop PC. This PC welcomes customers, checks stocks, places orders, and provides receipts in the shop for clients. It then becomes a mobile inventory management tool for regular cycle counts and physical inventories. Oh, did I mention it's also a push-to-talk walkie-talkie, an office phone, cell phone, and can do visual inspection reports. As you can imagine, our client was delighted when I told him, we've got this and it's ready for you today. We cut the capital expenditures of PCs in half while extending the utility of their existing systems. I'm Sharek from ScanTexas, and for over 20 years, we've helped customers deploy mobile computing solutions, barcoding, RFID, and data collection solutions. We offer hardware, software, and a full range of support services to companies across the United States. Customers choose ScanTexas because we can deliver 3 key benefits. We're dependable, we're reliable, and we're flexible. If you'd like a conversation to see how we can help you become more productive and profitable, let's talk. At ScanTexas, we don't celebrate closing a sale, we celebrate opening a relationship. Our customers will tell you, we deliver untouchable service and results. Just follow the link you see below.